What do we have to train for? I'm coming today.
Can you shut up? Nobody wants to hear that. All right. So sorry for not concluding very well yesterday. We were in the thick of it. How high were we? Elevation wise?
12.3 maybe we hit?
12.3, and then it started to rain and we needed water and we needed shelter in the trees. So for some reason I tried to record more, but the button wasn't working and I was not about to take my gloves off.
Ditching your vloggers.
Yeah, I do, man. They want to know what happened.
Carrie, pretty much shit hit the fan. We were in survival mode.
All is good this morning. We got the jet boil working. We had hot food last night and this morning. The goal is Silverton, where there's real food. I need to conclude this with something.
Real food and civilization.
Yeah.
Real food and people to talk to.
No.
Real food and people that know your name.
Real food and hopefully sunshine. I don't care what this looks like. It's gonna be super warm. It's cold, so I'm gonna turn this off. Save some battery. We're gonna go up that way. Catch up with you guys when the sun comes out. This is it, right?
I think there might be a higher point.
We're getting there. All right, now we're getting this mountain. Everybody's dying. See that thing? That thing just came out. We hit the high point, as you saw. Now we're probably hitting the low point.
Definitely a low point. Like a life low point.
Russell just came off the high point with like, all he had was nitrile gloves on. He's experiencing the thaw right now.
Not recommended.
But we have this beautiful view to look at.
And dark storm clouds.
Dark storm cloud. Troy's up there on the ridge calling Cricket, telling her to bring every warm article of clothing he owns. Silverton or bust. This is cool. Also super hard. Different planet up here, boys. Oh, check this out.
I'm gonna name this ride on Strava. Taking my bicycle on a through hike.
It's pretty cool though. You're in the big rocks.
I like walks. Oh my Lanta.
What is it? About 4 more miles to the Stony Pass, where Cricket is waiting with food
At the bottom.
at the bottom. Troy called in a lifeline. Oh, and we're going back up. Back up. Oh, boys,
That was brutal.
we're not done.
We're not done.
We just got this guy right here.
We're so close though.
So close to food, civilization.
Fresh shams. Trail fairies. Can I do a Coke, please?
You guys
I'm
are
Mike
the
in the
best.
CDT, and he's supporting me on
Oh,
the bike.
nice.
Nice.
And then he angels out on anybody who comes by.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, so squirt.
So
We
how
got a
far
downhill
are you
coast.
going in a day's time frame on bikes?
It varies.
Today, that section was super slow.
We've done
And-
23
and how
miles.
far back did you start that section?
We started about 8 miles into segment 22.
Talk to me and kind of like
We're 23
general
miles.
back.
22
miles.
22?
And it took us 6 hours.
Okay.
And then the other
I
day.
started 15 miles back, and it took me 8 hours. So walking.
This is like the hardest
Yeah.
segment.
Like other days we've done 100 miles.
Yep.
And today, 22. I think about
10.
10.
10.
All downhill.
And you just, is it all downhill?
All
It is.
downhill, then we climb the pass to Molas.
You'd be surprised how rowdy these things can get on the downhills too.
Yeah, they're still fun to ride downhill.
As so many people are, right? Hikers are the same way.
That's funny.
What tend to? Anyway, well, guys, yeah, don't let us keep you.
All right, thanks
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
So
You
much.
guys were, that was
Good
amazing.
luck on the
Angels.
rest of your day and the rest of your
Thanks.
life.
I'm done for the day.
Yeah, he's done for the day. We got like 22 days left though.
Sweet. Well, good luck. Have fun.
Appreciate it.
Enjoy it.
12,650. All downhill from here, baby. See the bottom. This is 2 trail ferries in 10 miles.
Really? You had another one?
Yeah,
Who was it?
some random guy up on the
Oh my gosh,
pass.
it's funny. At the bottom, and I'm like, shit, I need to go to service. Because I was so worried you guys were like frozen.
Oh,
Because I didn't have service at the bottom of Stony Pass.
Yeah.
When you're ready, no rush. You have a garbage can for food, for anything you don't want to bring back.
I'm sending you with a lot of
And
stuff.
then you've got to take pictures the last day.
Well, I'll take my camera, but I'm leaving my tripod that I've carried around
Yeah, leave your tripod.
that I haven't used once. That I'm gonna be a vlogger. All right, we just said goodbye to Cricket. Now we're going into town for pizza. Are we going up there? Yeah. We're going up there. I don't know how far, but we're gonna finish this goddamn thing tomorrow.
Reason that like everybody.
Just started the high side, boys. Didn't want to end up with Joey.